How to promote NFTs for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start promoting your NFTs for free on different platforms and these social media platforms that you should be using to promote your NFTs. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is, okay, you have NFTs. What does promotion have to do with it? Well, a very essential part of creating your collections or adding your NFTs is to promote them on different platforms, unless you are the cyberpunk. So this is a very popular NFT. It's popular because it has been marketed so much. So even if this NFT is no longer, or this collection is no longer promoted, that is going to be fine for them because people are going to purchase the collection regardless. But if you are someone that is new to the NFT game, then people are not going to be that inclined to buy your NFTs because they haven't heard of you. They don't know what kind of artist you are. They don't know who you are. So why would someone buy an NFT that is unknown? So that is the biggest thing when you are looking to create your NFTs and promote your NFTs. So marketing and promoting your NFTs is essential. And if you post your NFTs on a platform like OpenSea or any other marketplace for NFTs, that they're not gonna do anything to promote them, like OpenSea or Rarible or any other minting platform or marketplace. You're just gonna upload your NFTs over here, and then they are just going to be put on sale basically, and they're just going to be uploaded there. You have to do the footwork of actually promoting your NFTs. So there are many different ways that you can do that, but I'm going to start with number one, which is nftcalendar.io. I'm pretty sure that you have probably heard of it if you're doing anything regarding NFTs. So NFT Calendar is basically a platform where the latest drops or the most popular drops are listed, and people can see, oh, this collection is going to be launched on a certain date, or any kind of updates in the NFT community. So this is basically like a calendar for people that want to keep up to date on NFT news. So what you're going to do is you're just going to list your event. You're going to click on list your event over here, and then you're going to add a event title. So it could be like your NFT collection drop, whenever it is. You can add descriptions, and you can create some hype around your NFT collection. You're just going to talk about what it really is, what it symbolizes, or what it means, and you're going to add all of that good stuff over here, and then add like a sample image of your NFTs, and then add your event details. So what blockchain is this going to be launched on? The NFT Calendar platform supports a lot of blockchains, and then you can add links to your website, email address, and make sure you fill out all of these forms because you want to be a marketable brand. You just don't want your NFT to be lost in the several hundreds of NFTs being added to collections every day. You want to be a brand, and you want to make your NFTs distinguishable from other people. So you can see that there are many people that are promoting. So what you can do is you can actually click on one of the simple NFT promotions over here and take a look at how people are formatting these. So you can see that Baby Ghost is an ultra collection of 10,000 unique different NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. Then they have linked their website, Twitter, Discord, and the general source. Then they have added their marketplace, the blockchain, their website, and they have added several tags as well. So you want to follow this kind of platform to make sure that you are adding tags, you're adding descriptions, you're adding your social links, and you're adding these sample images of your future upcoming NFTs. Now, the next thing that you can do to promote your NFTs is go on to Behance.net. So on Behance, this is like a platform of graphic design, but the reason that I recommend Behance is that you can create an account on Behance, and then you can search for different jobs or different people that you can collaborate with on an NFT. So if you search for a keyword like NFT over here, and then you can find someone that can collaborate with you on different NFTs. So you can see over here that if I just search for NFTs, you can see this person is looking for a graphic designer for an NFT project. There is a 10,000 NFT creation avatar. They're looking for illustrators or any other kind of NFT project, and you can find another person. These are like large companies that are going to collaborate with you on your NFT design. So if you already have a collection, you can actually talk to them about it. They would usually take like a 20 to 50% commission out of the sale, and you could get the profits, and they could market your NFT on the platforms that they already have like a lot of grip on. So that is another very simple and easy method for you to follow to promote your NFTs. Now for Behance, you're just gonna continue with your Adobe account, and then you're just going to go onto your account, and you're just going to add your work of art or your NFTs, whatever they might be. So you're just going to add some of your fields, you're going to add your custom feed, and then you can collaborate and communicate with different artists and create a name for yourself in the NFT community. So that is the main purpose of using Behance. It's to establish a brand and establish a certain kind of aesthetic around your name, so people know that this person that creates this kinds of NFTs. Now, the next way that you can promote your NFTs is through Twitter, and Twitter is essential. Let me just clear that out. You need to have a Twitter account related to your NFTs or your crypto stuff on Twitter, because the most active community that you're going to find for NFT people is going to be on Twitter. Because if I just go on to any other social platform, the NFT community is never as active as it is on Twitter. And if I just scroll down over here, you want to make sure that you're tweeting about NFTs, and you want to make sure that you're interacting with NFT accounts. Make sure to follow different people that are creating NFTs, and make sure to follow actual NFT influencers, not just people that have like bought their influencers or are now just posting about NFTs for hype. Make sure that you're following genuine people that have a lot of know-how in the NFT community, and interact with them, talk to them, and make sure you're also tweeting. So make sure you have at least one active thing you do in each day. So you want to make sure that you're at least interacting once with someone or tweeting once when you are creating your NFT account on Twitter. And you can make it like not only exclusive to your NFTs, but I would recommend like having a large focus on NFTs and crypto for the account would be great for the purpose of promoting your NFTs. So make sure that you are doing this. And you can also apply the same strategy on Instagram. Now, the Instagram community for NFTs is not as active as Twitter, but you can do it as well. So if you just go on to NFT, and you can search for the NFT tag on Twitter or on Instagram as well, and even on Twitter. But if you go on to NFT Art, you can just search for those and search and find and interact with different influencers of the NFT community on Instagram. Make sure you're interacting with genuine influencers, not just people that are just talking about NFTs for hype. Make sure you're interacting with NFT influencers like this one over here, which is Robert Mandel, that has this great collection over here that they are using Instagram as well. Now, the last method to promote your NFTs for free is a bit indirect. So medium.com is a platform for article writing, and you can target a larger audience. Now, in all of the previous methods that I just showed you guys, you're targeting people that are already interested in NFTs. But for medium.com, you can just create your account, and you can just click on to your profile over here. You're going to click on Write Story, and then you're just going to click on and talk about your NFTs and promote your NFTs with an article on Medium. Now, this will target a specific audience of people that are interested in NFTs, but if you hit your luck right, then you might be able to get people that are interested in NFTs to open up your NFTs and then view it and maybe even purchase it. So you can market on Medium. It's going to be a bit indirect, and there might not be a lot of traffic that you're going to generate, but it is for free and it doesn't take up a lot of time. So I would recommend that you do try it out and check out to see if you have the spare time, then do promote it on medium.com as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to promote your NFTs for free. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.